you would mention that outside of ERP, you've also focused on other Microsoft technologies, like maybe SharePoint, something, document management, other systems over there. What are key enterprise solutions from your point of view that should be focused on in your digital transformation, journey, right? ERP is obviously one of the key factors that you spoke about, that you've done a lot of work on, but other related environments or technologies that people are still using legacy system or still on paper for some reason, that you would highly recommend that companies should think about digital transformation in these areas over here?
Plenty. I mean, typically, and here we are in an area where not every company is the same. So not every company has the same needs or requirements, has the same way of working, is in the same maturity level when it comes to IT or processes. So technology, today with technology, we can do many different things. I mean, that, as you know, I mean, there's a lot of discussions, I mean, everywhere about AI and what AI can do or cannot do or is supposed to do. So I always like to approach this more on the, let's say, the value that this can bring to the organization. So I have to look at where I am and what would be the best for the organization where I'm working. But technology today, if I mean, you mentioned Microsoft. We used in the past, and even in my a couple of companies I work for, we use definitely the Microsoft Azure, so the cloud. Move a lot of applications to the cloud. That brought some advantages, particularly on the cost side. So definitely. With SharePoint, again, I mean, it can definitely bring some advantages to the organization. Can be combined even with ERP in some cases. But really, the approach for me is more on what is needed in the organization where I'm currently working. And it's not the same that is needed in the organization where I was working before, because it was in a different maturity level. Depends on processes, depends on really organization by organization.